Okay, so for your second team time, you could have done an estimate as simple as 3 divided by 3 is about 1. I know this answer is going to be about 1. Also thinking how many times does 3 go in to 2 and 4 tenths, and I know my answer is actually going to be less than 1 because it doesn't even go in 1 full time. That's me estimating, thinking about what the answer is going to look like. Next, the model, I did already go ahead and pre-shade, so I know I'm splitting this 2 and 4 tenths into 3 different groups. And I want you to think about it. You know, there's different ways to split it. Some people were liking splitting one whole, splitting another whole into 3 groups, splitting another thing into 3 groups. For me, I like to think this is 10 tenths, this is another 10 tenths, and this is 4 tenths. So all together, I have 24 tenths, and I'm dividing it into 3 groups. So I start to kind of think about that, and then I say, well, 24 divided by 3 is 8. So I bet there's 8 tenths in each. And if I line that up, okay, I've got, this could be group 1. I put 8 tenths in there. Now group 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So be careful doing 8 tenths in the second group. It's okay that it goes over. So this whole thing is group 2. And now this, I have 4 tenths here, and 4 tenths here, and 4 tenths here. This is 8 tenths. So again, I took 2 and 4 tenths, and I split them into 3 equal groups. And each group has 8 tenths. Standard algorithm, 2 and 4 tenths divided by 3. 3 doesn't go into 2. I can't touch the 4 or I will get zapped. I need to first make the decimal jump. Now I can say 3 goes into 24, and if you need to count your multiples, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, okay, 21, 24. It goes in 8 times, and 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract, you get 0. Again, my answer is 0 and 8 tenths, matching my model. And the last thing I have to do is just justify. I like to look at this and kind of, I put C for checking my work. So 8 tenths times 3. I do not line up the dot. I line up the digits. I had 2 digits. I have 1 digit. So the more digits goes on the top. I have 1 space after the decimal, 0 spaces after the decimal. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 0 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. And there's that 1 place after the decimal. I like to underline it. So my answer, or in this case it's a product, is 2 and 4 tenths. And remember, that was my inverse operation. 8 tenths times 3 better equal 2 and 4 tenths, and it did. So that is me justifying and checking and proving that my answer is correct.